Hello, good day all of you. I am Madujith, a lecturer in civil engineering. In this video session, I am going to teach you AutoCAD software from A to Z. It means I am going to teach you it from the beginner level to the advanced level. In my previous video sessions, I have done Autodesk Revit, MS Project, Primavera, Civil 3D and so many softwares. My students have requested me to do a session completing AutoCAD, not Revit but AutoCAD. So I am going to demonstrate the complete session for AutoCAD, completing AutoCAD 2D as well as AutoCAD 3D. First of all, you should have installed Civil 3D or AutoCAD. If you are installing Civil 3D, it will give you AutoCAD software by default. This is Civil 3D software. It will give you Civil 3D Imperial or Civil 3D Metric. It's okay if you are not using Civil 3D, you can install AutoCAD only. But if you install only AutoCAD, it will not make you to use Civil 3D software. But if you are installing Civil 3D, it will allow you to use both Civil 3D and AutoCAD. I am using Civil 3D Metric. For that, right click on it and go to the Run with Graphic Processor. If you are having a separated VGA, it means high performance VGA, it's better to use that VGA. It means Run with Graphic Processor. Go to high performance NVIDIA, not integrated. Integrated means your onboard VGA. If you are using onboard VGA, it will not support the maximum performance of the software. Then I am opening it. This will totally depend on the speed of your computer. This is not a fault of your software. And this is AutoCAD user interface, that is called UI. If you want, you can maximize it. You can do it here. And in this video, I am going to introduce about the user interface of the AutoCAD software. First of all, you have to switch on to the AutoCAD. If you are using Civil 3D, it will give you default this Civil 3D one. Since I have used this before, it gives me the AutoCAD. But if you are using to the first time, it will give you Civil 3D user interface. For you have to switch from Civil 3D to drafting and annotation. That is called AutoCAD. You can do it from here or from here. Here also you can switch from Civil 3D to AutoCAD. Then I am going to introduce about the various things, it means various tool palettes and other things in the software. And this is called command bar or command prompt. This is a command prompt. It means we can type so many things here. I will come to that lesson after. And this is the model interface and this is the layout interface. These are various layouts. If you want to print any drawing, you have to use this one. Here another layout. We are drawing any drawing, it means any model, any detail on the model interface. And this is called application menu. You can drop it down. The clicking on it called drop it down. Here you can use a new one. You can open existing drawing. You can save. You can export. And you can do so many things. I will explain it bit by bit. And this is called quick access toolbar. This is called quick access toolbar. And these are various tabs. Here the home tab, this is insert tab, this is annotation tab, this is parametric and so and so. And these are the panels. This is layer panel and this is annotation panel, this is block panel and this is property panel. Like that, these are panels. And this is called info center. It means if you are working online, you can use this one to search so many things. You can type it and you can click on it and you can search it. And this is called UCI icon. It means it will show you the direction. This one are called panel expanded direction. It means you can expand this panel using this show tab. So like that. Here you can expand. And if you want to open any drawing, you can use it using this application menu. Then I will open some sort of drawing showing you what can be done using AutoCAD. First of all, I will open a normal drawing in kitchen detailing. This is a kitchen detail. Okay, if you want to move it, if you want to pan, we are calling it pan, you have to press on mouse wheel. Then it will give you a hand like icon. Then you can move it, and you can switch. You can switch between windows using this palette. These are called palettes. Here kitchen detail. Then I will show you some sort of council drawing. And this is a council drawing. This is a fully completed drawing which was prepared to submit to the council approval. This is a council drawing. Surely I will teach you the way of drawing this one, this sort of drawing. Then you can switch between your tabs. Here kitchen detail, this is a council drawing. Then I will show you a structural drawing. And this is a water tank. That is called a sump. Here is some detailing. Then I will tell you the way of doing structural detailing using AutoCAD. And this is a normal architectural drawing. And this is a structural drawing. This is a normal drawing. It means this can be a drawing which was drawn by a draftsman, or this can be drawn by carpenter also. And this is a complete drawing of a building. Actually, this is also a structural drawing. I will try my best to teach you the way of drawing such things. Okay, now I think you have a general idea about the AutoCAD software. In next video sessions, we will teach the way of mastering AutoCAD. If you are having any issue, please let me know by sending an email to my personal email, or by adding a comment on the comment section, or using any sort of social media thing. I am adding my email address and my social media links in the description bar. Then you can use them for further details. Okay, thank you. We'll meet with another video as soon as possible. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, now it's the perfect time for you to subscribe it. Please go to YouTube and type my name, Madujith. Then you can find my channel. Go to my channel. Then please subscribe it. If you want to receive my latest notification on my latest video, you have to click on this bell icon. You can enjoy my YouTube channel since I have categorized my videos in so many playlists. If you are interested on civil tutorial, you can find them also. SAP 2000 tutorials are available, MS project are available, Revit architecture are available, Revit structure are available, and civil 3D tutorials are available, and also Procon tutorials are available. Thank you. Then don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll meet with another video soon.